In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to generate AI image in Instagram. So let's dive right into the video. This image was generated using Instagram. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Right here is the home page of my Instagram app. The step you need to take is to click on the message icon at the bottom of your screen. Now you are on the message section. So the next step you need to take here is to click on Meta AI. If you're not seeing the option here, you can click on the search button at the top of your screen, and you're going to see the option of Meta AI. So you can simply go ahead and click on it like this. So in order for you to generate AI images, this is what you simply need to do. You can click on the message option here and give it a prompt. So let's see a man standing tall like a tree with a scary look. So this is the prompt I gave it, and this was the image it generated for me. A man standing tall like a tree with a scary look. As you can see here, this man is standing tall and also have a scary look. So this is how you can generate your image using Meta AI in Instagram. So in order for you to save the image, you can click on the image like this, then click on the three dots icon at the top right corner of your screen and click on download in order to save it to your gallery. That is how simple it is to generate image with Meta AI in Instagram. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos on this channel. You're welcome to AppFix and In.